So hello everyone, welcome to my channel 7 Code. Today we are going to install WordPress on my machine. So I will open my browser and type XAMPP, then hit enter and I click on first link. Then I will go to Windows, but this here Linux and Mac OS machine packages. But my case is click on Windows machine. So I will click button Windows. So file is download few minutes. Okay, then download file pop-up is showing, so I save it, then package on my download folder. So download this file or package. Okay, so I will go to file manager and click on download. This package is not download, so download is completed. I click on this package and showing pop-up screen, minimize this screen. Okay, so I click is yes, then interface is showing exam few minutes. Okay, so welcome to exam. So I click OK, then next, then next, then next. Okay, this error is my file error. This PC go to and exam this here to delete. Okay, old files, then next, then next, then next. Okay, installation running. Okay, and okay, installation is run. I will go to web browser and download WordPress. Okay, so I type wordpress.org and I find download button this here for interface, new version, discovery. This feature is here WordPress. Okay, no, not this link. I will type WordPress download and then hit enter. So I will click download wordpress.org and download WordPress 6.9.4. okay, click it and save it to download. Okay, so first of all we need WordPress folder to move exam folder. Okay, so this installation is not completed. I forward this video. Okay, and WordPress file is downloaded completed. Okay, both are completed, download and finish. Okay, creating installation 75%, and I will go to my WordPress folder as tag, file folder as tag. Okay, and okay, I will click this folder and this files or WordPress. Okay, so right click and cut this folder and okay, is this finished? And I will go to this PC and exam htdoc find htdoc. Okay, and this is paste file, WordPress file. Okay, I will paste WordPress file on htdoc. Open exam and start Apache and start MySQL. So running without any error. Okay, and now we need to create database. Okay, open your browser and go to localhost and phpMyAdmin. So http and colon, the colon oblique localhost, type localhost, then phpMyAdmin. Okay, and click. So this interface is my phpMyAdmin. Okay, so enter new database name, so in this here. Okay, then I will go to browser screen tab and localhost, type localhost and WordPress. Okay, showing interface installation and click continue. Then let's go. Okay, but I will create database Shre. Okay, and WordPress and click create. Okay, so admin is not Shre, this here, and submit, run the installation, and website name is my submit code. I will example only. Okay, and username is Shre. Okay, I type Shre. Then password is not required, but I will type root and mandatory email. Okay, so I will type email. Okay, and create button click. The WordPress setup screen will appear. Enter database detail. Okay, like name and username and password. Okay, so I will type Shre and login button click. So log into your dashboard and go to visit website, this here, normal. Okay, and I find appearance. Okay, this interface. I will find appearance, post and appearance. Okay, and click on theme. Okay, here you can install the theme like portfolio. I like Astral, and click on active installation. Okay, this will change the design of your website. Okay, so that's how you can install WordPress on your PC step by step. If you found this video help, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching 7-Minute Code. Bye.